Hi all. So we are going to cover part 3 of Linux command. So 40 we have covered in part 2. 41. 41 is df command. df command. Basically df command is used to display the disk space used in the file system. It displays the output as the number of used block, available blocks, mounted directories. So it will be show all the complete percentage, like how many percentage is used. And 43 is mount command. 42 is mount command. Mount command is used to connect an external device files system to the system's file system. So for example, I have to connect with one directory to device or device to directory. So we need to write like this: -t mount -t, then type here device, then need to mention the directory. So it will be show the mount directory, like sysfs on what is directory is there, type of procs it will be mentioned, dev type it will be show. So next command is 43, exit command. Exit command is used to exit from the current shell. Suppose I want to exit from the terminal, I need to enter the exit, so it will become out. Clear command. 44 is clear command. What it will be do? Clear command means like it will be clear that commands whatever we entered previously. 45 is IP command. IP command is an update version of the ipconfig command. It is assign an IP address, initial and interface, disable an interface. So we can define like IPA, then press the enter. So it will be give the all details like hashed all valid, inet number. So everything we can see there in the terminal. Then 46 the command is SSH, very important command. So in the Linux, SSH command is used to create a remote connection through the SSH protocol. So how we will use SSH? Then here we need to mention the username from which user we want to connect. Here we need to define the host. Host means we can define here the IP address, or we can define the domain name. Domain name. Then P means protocol. That is address. So it will be connect with through the SSH protocol. Next command is 46, 47. Mail command. This is also very important. Uh, Mail command, this command is used to send mail from the command line. Suppose I want to send any mail from the command line, so we need to mention like main -s. Then here we can mention the subject, and participants, like to whom I need to send. So here I can mention the participant address. So here I can mention the participant address. So it will be like that. In that real-time scenario, we need to mention like mail hyphen as subject. I need to mention like check updates. This is my subject name. Then from which mail I need to send? So kamal@gmail.com. So it will be go to the this mail ID kamal@gmail.com. And if I want to put in CC, so here also I can mention the CC, then again I can mention the another mail ID gmail.com. So like that I can mention. 48 command is ping command. Ping command is used to check the connectivity between two nodes. That is whether the server is connected or not. It is the short term of the packet internet grouper. Packet, P means packet, I means internet, and G means grouper, ping. So how we will use the ping? I will use the ping, and here I will mention the destination. In the terminal real time we can mention like ping, and here I can mention that google.com. So it is reachable google.com or not. So we'll get the information. Then 49 command is host command. Host command. Host command is used to display the IP address for given domain name and vice versa. Suppose I have to check host, and for this domain name here need to mention. Also I can mention like that IP. Here I can mention IP address. So like that also I can mention. So it will be give that domain name or IP address. So how I will mention in the real time? Host google.com. So I will get like this google.com has address 194.169.80.151. Just for example, I have mentioned here what you will see in the terminal. Okay, next the command is 50. Okay, we will cover in the next part few more basic commands. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Please like and subscribe.